Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Bootstrap 5 tutorial series. In today's episode, I'm going to make a quick tutorial to show you how to change the navbar link color when user hovers on it. Let me show you what is the default implementation and what we are going to implement. This is the default navbar that Bootstrap provides, which when you hover on it, it shows the cursor pointer, but there is no activity to it like underline or changing background color or text color or something. In the previous episode of this series, we did this effect on user scroll. We were changing the background color. Now let's go ahead and change the properties of this link on hover. Alright, so I'm going to use the same file that we created in the earlier episode, so make sure that you go through the series and also to learn entire Bootstrap with me. Alright, so what we are going to do on hover, so we are going to use a class that is already built in, which is, if you see here, each of these links that are rendered have nav link to it. Okay, that's the class that is being active. So we are going to target that and add our style. So we are going to say inside navbar, what do we need to find? We need to find dot nav hyphen link, and whenever user hovers on it, what should we do? We should underline it, let's say, and save it. That's all code you need to make it underline. Now I'll take it. Now see, now it's underlined. Same way you can change other properties too, like say background color. Now when I hover on it, the background color changes, right? So this is how you can change the default navbar behavior by adding other properties to nav hyphen link hover. So this is on hover, but do check out the other tutorial where I had coded to change the background color of the navbar on user scroll like this. So now you have on scroll the color is changing and on hover too. Alright, I hope you enjoy such small tutorials which will help you. Please do let me know in the comment section if you need me to attempt certain use case for you. I'll be more than happy to do that. So stay tuned for more such quick, easy, small tutorials to help your work easy. Right, thank you so much and see you in the next episode.